Good day. This is the Nexus, and I'm going to run a query on Databricks, and I'm going to get an answer set. But I'm going to drag it over to my Snowflake tree and create this Databricks table on Snowflake. I just drop and drag, give it a name. The Nexus is going to take that Databricks answer set and create a table on Snowflake with the data. Watch to the right, it's building, it's moving the data, it's converting, and it's done. I'm going to query it, and as you can see, that now exists on Snowflake. Hey, if you want to migrate data even at a faster rate and larger amounts of tables, just use the Migrate Data button, and now pick the source, pick the target, check mark the tables you want, pick any ones you don't. When you hit this blue button, that's ready to move. I'm going to drop those tables. I've got over 2,000 utilities I can use depending on the system I want to migrate to. And now the Nexus is converting the Databricks tables over to Snowflake, converting the data types, building the load scripts, running those, and if it turns green, then that data has moved successfully. Those tables that were on Databricks are now migrated over to Snowflake. Now you want to see something even more amazing? Yeah, of course you can submit SQL, but Nexus will show you tables visually. This is a Databricks table. Shows me what other tables it joins to. Just point and click, and Nexus will build the SQL for you right then and there. And now there it is. I have it that quickly, and it will build the SQL on all systems. This was Databricks, so it understands the SQL needed. But Nexus allows you to search every system. There's my Databricks system. Here's my Snowflake system. I can drag a Snowflake table in, say how it joins, and now it's part of the query. I just dragged an Oracle table in there too, and there is my answer set. Now I'm going to change the hub where it processes. This is going to process inside my PC, and there it is again. Let's finish this in dark mode. Is that pretty or what? Let's put the answer set to the right. Nexus queries all systems, migrates between all systems, and it federates joins across them with just point and click brilliant technology. Reunite your data.